An above average day throughout the UP. We topped out at 55 degrees for the high temperature, 34 the low. Nowhere near the record of 69 or 4 degrees, and we're already up to 13 hours and 32 minutes of daylight. You can thank all that sunshine for the beautiful weather we've been seeing throughout the last couple of days. And even today, temperature is very similar to what we saw yesterday. 56 the high in Marquette, 60 in Iron Mountain, 59 in Munising. So some areas did get into those 60s, 63 in Ontonagon, but we are going to begin to see some radical changes to the weather within the next 48 hours, and we're already starting to see the first of those changes with those clouds already invading the area. Winds out of the east at 13 in Houghton, more out of the southeast from Ironwood all the way down to Escanaba at around 12 to 13 miles per hour, a little bit stronger in Marquette at 16. So the changes have already begun with the clouds. There is a warm front that's going to allow those temperatures to rise a little bit more tomorrow with the rain coming in by the time we wake up in the morning. By the time we get towards tomorrow night going into your Sunday, though, we're going to start going backwards when it comes to that thermometer. It's going to start going down, especially on your Easter Sunday. Those winds are going to pick up out of the north. That's going to allow those temperatures to gradually fall throughout the day. The showers will begin to exit sometime Sunday morning, so do keep that in mind if you are going to church services, to have that umbrella with you early on. Now, by the time we get towards your Monday, it is going to be noticeably cooler than what we're going to see even tomorrow or even today. Now, looking into tomorrow's setup, it's mostly going to be the rain. Towards the east, we'll see some heavier accumulations, up to an inch possible east of Marquette. West of Marquette, accumulations could reach up to half an inch. There could also be some thunder mixed in with some of those rain bands, so when thunder roars, go indoors. But most of the heavier thunderstorms will be further towards the south into parts of Iowa, Missouri, and into parts of Kansas. But here's that cooler air already in parts of the Dakotas. That's going to spill into our area Sunday, and especially going into Monday. So you can see the rain pushing through tonight, going into tomorrow, and even into parts of Saturday night, going into your Sunday. By the time we get towards your Monday, we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds throughout the area, as we could be dealing with a couple of disturbances that are going to get very close to the UP through a good portion of the work week. So we're actually going to be dealing with more clouds than sun, but still rain chances are going to be relatively low to moderate, between 20 to 40%. But for tonight, though, showers arriving after midnight, winds out of the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So that southerly flow is really being helped by that warm front, and also the fact that the cold front is still within a good 24 hours away from us. So that's really going to allow those numbers to really soar tomorrow into those 60s. And some areas could be getting very close to 70 degrees, 67 in Crystal Falls and Iron Mountain, 65 in Ontonagon. A little bit cooler along the shoreline, though, 60 in Houghton, 62 in Munising, 59 in Escanaba. But it's really all about that rain gear, like I previously mentioned. Heavier accumulations further east you go, lighter accumulations further west you go. Now, going into your day plan a little more closely for tomorrow, sunrise occurs at 7:03 a.m., about a 50% chance of a rain shower throughout the entire UP. And you can see that temperatures are not going to be exactly the same tomorrow morning and Sunday morning, around 40 degrees. But it is going to get noticeably cooler throughout the day on your Sunday. So it is going to rise a little bit throughout the morning, and then it's eventually going to start falling. So we're going to get to around 50 degrees, and then the mercury will begin to drop pretty quickly, especially with those winds coming out of the north and northwest, with some sunshine breaking in late in the day. By the time we go into the rest of your 7-day forecast, you can already see Monday, we're pretty much going to struggle just to hit 40 degrees in the afternoon as we deal with partly sunny skies. A little bit of a better rain chance on Tuesday at 30%. And then as we go through the rest of the work week, temperatures are going to pretty much stay elevated in those upper 40s, lows around 30 to 35 degrees. So it is going to be a cooler week, just not as much sunshine as we saw this week.